Hi everyone, I'm Riva, and we're going to do an exercise to help you open up your upper body and allow you to breathe more easily. To breathe fully and completely, there's a lot of different muscle groups that contribute to our breath. There's muscles in our chest, our back, our shoulders, even these little muscles called the intercostals interlace between all of our ribs. And all of these muscles work together to allow us to have ease with our breath. But if the muscles are really tight, it can feel constricted when we breathe. It can feel like there's this pressure and this major restriction on our ease of breath. And so we can do exercises like this either in the morning when we're first getting started or any time of day when we're feeling like that constriction is present. Now, when we do this exercise, you can do it sitting on the ground on a mat, or you could even do this sitting on a cushion or in a chair in an office. If you're in a chair, I'll just recommend that you place both feet on the ground evenly, uncrossed legs. But if you're sitting on the ground or any other way, you can just sit whatever way makes you feel most comfortable and at ease. To begin the exercise, I'll ask you to please sit up nice and tall. Sit your sit bones into the ground. Raise the crown of your head up to the skies. Relax the shoulders down from the ears. And bring the right arm out first. Keep the hand open. Begin to breathe in as you bring the wrist up. And exhale out as you bring it down. Breathe in as you bring the wrist up. And exhale out as you bring it down. Continue to do this at your own pace, pairing the breath. With every breath in, the wrist rises. And every breath out, it comes back down. Make sure to keep the shoulders down from the ears and nice and even so we're not getting any kind of tipping or tilting. Continue for a few more breaths here. And after your next exhale, bring that right arm down and bring the left ear over to the left shoulder, making sure not to raise the shoulder up, just the ear comes to the shoulder. And if it feels okay to, you can begin to move the head forward and backward, taking your time and continuing to breathe in and out as you do so. If you're feeling a lot of crunching or crackling in the neck, you can try pulling the shoulder blades down a little further on the back. And as always, you can pause and choose not to take the motion and simply hold. Just a few more breaths here. You should feel a bit of a tug or stretch on this right side of your body in the neck and shoulder. After the next exhale, you can come back to center and bring the left arm out this time, hand open. Breathe in as you bring the wrist up. Exhale out as you bring it down. Breathe in as you bring it up. And exhale out as you bring it down. Keep going again at your own pace, pairing breath with motion of the wrist. And after your next exhale, bring that left hand down and bring the right ear over to the right shoulder. If it feels okay to, you can begin to move the head forward and back, nice and slow as you continue breathing in and out. Feeling that stretch in this left side of your neck into the shoulder. And after your next exhale, come back to center. And we're going to do a bit more to open up the ribs and open up the chest. When you're ready, breathe in as you bring your arms up above. And then exhale out as you twist to your left. Right hand goes to left knee. Left hand goes to the chair, floor, or bed behind you. As you breathe in, get a little taller. And as you exhale out, twist a little deeper. As you breathe in, open up the chest a little more broadly. And as you exhale out, pull the shoulder blades down a little further on your back. Stay here for a few more breaths. Continuing to breathe in deeply. Exhaling fully. After your next exhale, keep the right hand on your left knee and bring your left arm up and over. If this is a bit too intense on anyone's shoulders, maybe pull it back a bit. But while you're here, I would love for you to breathe into that left side of the rib cage, into that lower back, really fully expanding as best as you can. Big full breaths in. Big full breaths out. Just take another full breath in and out here. And release. When you're ready, breathe in as you bring the arms up again. Exhale out as you twist to the right this time. As you breathe in, get a little taller. As you exhale out, twist a little deeper. As you breathe in, open up your chest a little more broadly. As you exhale out, pull the shoulder blades down a little further on your back. Stay here for just a few moments, breathing in and out. After your next exhale, keep the left hand on your right knee and bring that right arm up and over. For a couple of breaths in and out. And release. That's the whole exercise. You can do this anytime you'd like. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, the light in me sees and honors the light in each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.